Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to resize photo in Photomator. So let's get straight into it. I'm using the iPad, so I will show you on here. But I think basically on the Mac is pretty much the same thing. So with resizing, I mean cropping. So let's go and do that. Now you will see at the top right corner the crop icon, so which is right over here, this one. And if you click on it, you can see now that it's big square around the picture, so that I can adjust the aspect ratio here if I want, so a little bit zoom in and so on, just like that. Now what I can also do, I can flip the photo or rotate it as I wish. So based on my opinion, flipped like that looks pretty much better, so I will leave it like that. So when I'm happy with this, I can just press done at the top right corner. Also, you can that you don't manually crop, so as you can see like that, we can use this aspect ratio button. So at the top bottom left corner you will see it here, and now we can adjust the original square 4, 5, 16 by 9, 9 by 16 for 3 and so on, or custom, so you can change it however you prefer. And when you are done with that, just click done, and that will be basically it. You can also adjust here manually numbers, put numbers in, and you can add this here. And this is basically it. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.